Kings Ridge is located in the heart of Clermont, Florida. This stunning 55 and over active adult community has majestic views from rolling hills overlooking the Kings Course Golf Course. The course lies among heavily forested neighborhood villages shaded by mature oaks and stands of pine trees. You'll enjoy the never-ending, breathtaking views as you navigate the streets of this 24-hour guard-gated community. Lennar Homes developed this community with construction starting in 1995 and completed in 2000. There are 2,088 homes in this community, and resale prices range from the high 100s to the high 300s. Kings Ridge has 2 clubhouses, 3 outdoor pools, and 2 spas. The community has 2 state-of-the-art fitness centers, 2 golf courses, a pro shop, an aerobics room offering yoga and other core strengthening classes. Additional activities include shuffleboard, tennis, pickleball, and bocce ball courts. Residents also enjoy social events in the ballroom, playing billiards, card games, and a myriad of art and craft activities in the activities room. Kings Ridge is minutes from Red Lobster, IHOP, Buffalo Wild Wings, movie theaters, shopping, lakes, and recreational parks, as well as small historical towns with year-round community events. It even has golf cart access to a Publix grocery store. The Grove Shopping Mall in Winter Garden is within 10 miles of Kings Ridge. Kings Ridge is within 3 miles to the nearest hospital. There are several specialty hospitals, including the new VA hospital in East Orlando, within 45 minutes of Kings Ridge. Orlando's International Airport is approximately 45 minutes from this sought-after Clermont community. Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld are within 40 minutes of this community. We look forward to showing you all that Kings Ridge has to offer.